Fun Toys Galaxy!
Hi kids! Welcome to Fun Toys Galaxy. Don't forget to hit subscribe to catch all of our out of this world fun videos. Today we are playing with this chunky Melissa and Doug farm animal puzzle, and we will be practicing our animal sounds. This is a hen. Look at her little baby chick. Hens say cluck, 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 cluck. This is a sheep. Ba, ba. This is a goat. Ma, ma. Here comes the pig. It's a friendly cow. Moo, moo. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Gallop, 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 gallop. And here's the duck with her babies. Quack, 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 quack. And this is the barn where all the animals sleep. Let's put it back together. Here comes the goat. Don't forget the hen. Cluck, 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 cluck. There's the cow. Moo, moo. In comes the sheep. Bah, bah. Neigh, neigh. I hear the horse. Oink, oink. It's a pink piggy. Quack, 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 quack. Here's the mama duck and her two babies. And lastly, here's the barn where they'll all be tucked in safely tonight to sleep. Thanks for watching our Melissa and Doug chunky farm animal puzzle. Leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite animal is. And don't forget to hit subscribe so we can catch you on our next video. See you next time.